Hey everyone, if you're here, you're probably dealing with a broken expandable garden hose, just like I was. It took me 5 tries to get it right, but I finally figured it out. In this video, I'll show you all my mistakes so you don't have to repeat them. And if you are in a hurry, I have added bookmarks so you can skip straight to the successful repair. But if you want to learn from every step, stick around. Today, I'm tackling the repair of my expandable garden hose. The issue, let me show you. As you can see there, the hose has a puncture. Right here. Thanks to the raccoons who had too much fun with it. So let's dive in and see how I can fix this. Before I do anything, I need to get rid of the damaged section of the hose. I'll start by clamping off the ends of good parts and cut out the bad section. So let's cut here. Oh, the inner tube went in, it slipped away. This is why I need to clamp it. I'll have to cut more in a bit. This one is good. So this green thing is the inner tube. I'll clamp it close to where the cover ends. And for this one, I'll cut the cover a little more and do what I did on the other side. So let me cut away more of the cover and get the hose. And this is the hose. Let's clamp it so I don't lose it again. Like this. I have this half-inch pipe coupling I got from hardware store, and I'm going to use this to connect the inner tubes. Here you go, just like this. I think it should be good enough. Bring the cover together. It's trickier than I thought it would be. Let's do it as much as I can. I think this is good enough. And to hold everything together, I'm going to use this zip tie. I know there are proper clamp for piping, but since I have these, maybe I could save a few bucks. There you go. I think it looks good. So let's give it a try and see how it does. Let's see how it does. So the hose is expanding. Looks good so far. Oh, I see leaking. Whoa! Okay, let's try this again. At least one side worked. Maybe it needs a bit more zip ties. I'm going to try using this smaller zip tie, so it has maybe more micro clamping power. So I have it like this. Hopefully this works better than last time. Hopefully this works. Fingers crossed. Let's try again. Whoa! Okay, it failed again. Let me try one more time. But I think I'm starting to understand how this hose works better now. The inner tube expands, and the outer cover keeps it from expanding too much. So I need to make sure the outer cover is fully protecting the inner tube. So I'll make sure the outer cover is covering the inner tube entirely. Hopefully this is going to work. So this looks a lot stronger than before. This time I clamped both inner and outer tube. Work, please. Expand it. Whoa! It failed again. I want to try one more time. Just one more time. There you go. And this time I'm going to tape it as well. There you go. Let's see. It looks a lot better than before. Let's see if this is going to work or not. Expanding. I'm going to step away just in case it explodes again. Fully expanded now. Looks good so far. I'll just wait a bit more just to make sure. But maybe I got it this time. Shoot. Failed again. You know what? Never mind. I'll just get a new hose. I had enough. I like this hose though, so I'm going to get the same one. Plus right there. What is this? $100 for a hose? Never mind. Slowly walking away. I'll try with a smaller coupling. And this time I got the proper clamp as well. Maybe this is the key to success. Let me try again. Hopefully this works this time, because as you saw, this hose is just too expensive. $100 for a hose. Get the clamp in first. It's a lot easier to connect the coupling now, since it's a bit smaller than 1/2 inch. So I think zip tie was the problem. It was just a plastic and it wasn't strong enough to handle the water pressure. But let's see. It's a lot easier to cover the inner tube with outer cover as well, with a smaller coupling. I feel good about this now. I think this is going to work. Looks good. Here, I'm trying to find the metal part so I can secure the clamp there instead of doing it to the hose. I'll make sure this is nice and tight. If you think about it, the zip tie couldn't be strong enough because it's just plastic. And the clamping surface is really thin. So this would do a lot better. Holding the tube and the cover together really well. This looks a lot better than before. I think this is going to work. Moment of truth. Okay. Expanding again. Let's see. Still expanding. Fully expanded. Looks good so far. I see a little bit of water leaking, but that's okay, as long as it doesn't explode. I think the metal clamp definitely helps. Yeah, I was just trying to chip out. That was the issue. Looks good. I think I finally got it. Yeah, this is good enough for me. Let's make sure it works. Fully expanded. I'll spray some water. Expanding again. Water out. Expands again. I think this is done. Yay! Alright, so if you need to fix your expandable hose, learn from my mistakes. Skip the zip ties and go straight for metal clamps. They're not expensive and they make all the difference. Thank you so much for sticking with me through all these trials. Seriously. This is it for this video. If you like this video, please leave a comment, give it a like, and hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me. Thank you again, and have a wonderful day. Bye!